Pavel's new aquarium is 48 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 24 inches tall. If Pavel wants to fill 1/6 of the aquarium with sand, how many cubic inches of sand does he need? Pause this video and see if you can figure this out. Okay, now let's draw this aquarium. It is 48 inches long. So let me draw that like this. So it is 48 inches long. And they tell us it is 16 inches wide. So I'll draw it like that. So it is 16 inches wide. And I could also draw that over here. This would essentially be the base of the aquarium. So that's the base of the aquarium. And now I have to think about how tall it is. And it's 24 inches tall. Do that in orange. 24 inches tall. So it might look something like this. So it is 24 inches tall. So that height right over there is 24. So that is, I could draw a straighter line than that. That is 24, and that is 24. And then I can connect them. We know that this is 48, this is 48, and we know that this is 16 inches. I've taken some care to make it color-coded. So there's two ways that we could try to approach this. We could just figure out the volume of the entire aquarium and just think about, well, what is 1/6 of that volume? Or another way to think about it, if Pavel is filling 1/6 of the aquarium with sand, the sand's going to go 1/6 up the height. So how tall would that be? What's 1/6 of 24 inches? So what would this height be that it gets that the sand would go up in the aquarium? Well, if we say, so this is this height right over here, let me do that in a deeper color. So this height of the sand is going to be 1/6 of 24 inches. So 1/6 times 24. Well, 1/6 times 24 is the same thing as 24 divided by 6. So this height right over here is going to be 4 inches. And so if you want to think about the cubic inches of sand, we just think about the volume of this rectangle right over here, which is going to be 48 inches wide times 16, or 48 inches long times 16 inches wide times 4 inches high times 4 inches, which is going to be equal to, you could do that, try to do it in your head or on paper, but you could also use a calculator, of course. And so we are going to get 48 times 16 times 4 is equal to 3,072 cubic inches. 3,072 cubic inches. So you could write that as inches cubed or cubic, or you could write it out as, sometimes you'll see it either way, cubic inches. And we're done.